watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, it's going to start out innocently enough. We've got an interesting day of weather coming our way tomorrow for West Michigan. We start the day with a little bit of blue sky. Not a ton, but enough to let temperatures drop down with those clear skies overnight. We'll see temperatures in the single digits to start the day, but up to 10 here at 8 a.m. Southeast winds 10 to 15, but over the noon hour, that's when the snow starts across West Michigan, and it continues for the drive home by 4 p.m. Temperatures up to 27. South winds continuing to push the temperatures warmer in the afternoon and evening hours as that snow continues, and that's going to transition snow over to rain or an icy mix. Nothing going on right now, but it gets interesting off to our west. Here's what it looks like now on Storm Track Live. We've got a weather system that's doing a couple of things. It's going to merge with the system to the south, pick up strength and moisture, and as it pushes to the east, it's going to invade West Michigan tomorrow night. So let me put a track on this here. It's moving about 30 miles an hour. Sometime tomorrow, early afternoon, is when we see the first of the snow start to fly here for West Michigan. Now, if it seems like we've been running a snowfall deficit, we'll have a chance to play a little catch-up this week. But here are the numbers. Through January 16th of the respective years, so far this year, we're at 25 inches. Look at 2009. We had 83 inches of snow by this point in the season already. One season we did have less snow. That was 2007, where we had just 19 inches of snow on the ground. But like I said, we're going to turn that spigot of snow back on this week and pick up a few more inches at least of total snow accumulation. 24-hour forecast. Skies start to break apart a little bit tonight, and that's going to allow these temperatures to drop. Look at Hastings at 6 a.m. 8, 1 here in Greenville, 9 Grand Rapids, 12 here in Sturgis. Through the noon hour, clouds thicken up. The snow starts on the lakeshore first, and then it spreads across West Michigan from west to east. By 6 p.m., snow has overtaken most of West Michigan. Now, this will be a light snow, but we could have slick roadways, and watch what happens tomorrow night. As warm air continues to surge into West Michigan, we see the snow transition over to an icy mix or even rain for the I-94 corridor and southward. So this means not just the snowy drive home on Monday evening, but a potentially icy, rainy, and or snowy drive to work on Tuesday morning, depending on how far north or how far south you are. In terms of snowfall total accumulations, this won't be a big event, especially for areas south of Grand Rapids, where we're going to mix in a little bit of rain. That's going to bring the snowfall totals way down. But when this is all said and done by Tuesday afternoon, now keep in mind this is Monday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon, areas south of I-94 especially, Kalamazoo southward, this area, less than 2 inches of snow. However, you get farther north of Grand Rapids, and this is where we have the better chance of picking up closer to 4 to 6 inches of total snow. 8-day forecast, the first 3 days in detail. It starts out as snow tomorrow afternoon. Temps climb Monday night, which is an interesting scenario, but that's going to set up the perfect recipe for a late Monday night, early Tuesday morning icy mix. And in that icy mix, we could see freezing rain or rain. And then the cold front hits Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures plummet. We go from 36 Tuesday afternoon to 10 for Wednesday morning. That cool blast of air is going to set up a very chilly week ahead. I'm thinking temperatures only in the single digits above zero here for the as we round out the work week, and single digits below zero in the countryside. Mark?
All right, thank you, Kyle.